So as you may have gathered, I'm a bit of a nerd and I like to do some gaming. And before I even get into this, don't worry, we're not going to put any actual gaming on this YouTube channel. In fact, we should have a propane maintenance video either tomorrow or the next day if things go well. But what we've done is started a Twitch channel just for fun, which is a streaming platform mostly for gaming, if you're not familiar with it. And by we, I do mean both Kiva and I have indoctrinated Kiva into my gaming. And with Halloween coming up, we thought it would be fitting to do our first stream on Halloween, and we're going to play a scary game, one of our recent favorites, Doom from 2016. It will be Kiva's first time playing it through, and I'm a bit of a veteran, so she's going to be playing on an easy difficulty, I'm going to be on a harder one, and we're going to take turns. We're also going to dress up because it's Halloween.
We're going to drink some wine, eat some candy.
Should be a good time. So if you're interested in seeing us just doing something totally different, or if you actually like gaming, follow our Twitch channel, which is linked in the description and in a card in the top right. We know that there's not going to be a ton of you, but we also know there will be a few. So we hope to see you on Halloween night at 6 p.m. Pacific time is when we're scheduled to start. And we'll leave you with a quick clip of from a test stream that we did last night, just so you have an idea of what to expect. Suddenly I'm nervous that I'm gonna not play very well. Got this bros. Oh god! Oh my god! Yeah, Kiva always jokes that I move around while I'm playing. It's true though. Oh, I missed. Oh god. Nope. Nope. Oh god. No 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 no.
So is that the first level?
Yeah, I'm just gonna get to the end of it. It's up here. It's everywhere. Bam!
Nice.
Oh yeah, it plays the theme at the end of every level. Save and exit. Alright. Sweet, well thanks for joining us for a little test. We're going to watch it back and see how the quality looks and everything. That was fun.